We are Underground Autostyling out of Sarasota, Florida. And together with Vaydor Supercars, we have developed the Vaydor Slingshot front end. It's a complete body kit replacement from the front fenders and windshield forward. As you can see, it seamlessly integrates into the Polaris Slingshot. This body kit completely transforms the entire look of the Polaris Slingshot. As you can see, attention to detail, leaving the entire motor exposed. This is a prototype, and we'll be releasing the actual bodies very soon.